Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to making this really easy granny square patterns, and you can use this granny square patterns for making different kinds of bags, and then you can use this for a cushion cover, and you can make a blanket. Okay, so that's your choice. You can use any kind of color to make these patterns, and we will start from here. So now let's do it. And then if you want to make this pattern, you can use any scrap yarns. Okay, if you don't have, then you can use any random yarn. So for the materials, you need some scissor and then your stitch marker, and then I'm using this hook, and this is a 2.5mm hook. First of all, you need to make a chain of 4, and then before that you have to make knot. So this is your slip knot, and then we need to make a chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, after making the 4 stitches, you need to make a 4 corners. Okay, to make a 4 corners, you need to go over here into the first one, the 14 of the first one here over here. Okay, now you just need to pull through inside the hook, inside this chain, your first chain, and then yarn over and pull through only one loops, just making a slips. This means a slip stitch. Okay, and after making this, you need to do chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then now making a double crochet into the circle. Okay, so this can be our circle over here. We are going to make a corner. Okay, with the help of circle. Every time we are just going to make a double crochet inside this circle, magic green, or you can just say anything. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we have a total of 1, 2, we need to make a 3 double crochet. Before I make a 3 chains, so this one is your double crochet already, 1, 2 and 3. Now making a corner, 1, 2. So do the same thing, making a double crochet inside it. Right over here. This is a 2 and then 3. I have a 1 corner, we need to make a 4 corners. Okay, so just making a 4 corners, chain of 2 again, 1 and 2, and double crochet inside this circle over here, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 1 double crochet. We need to make a 3, so 2 and then 3. So you can see over here we have a 2 corners, 1 and 2. Again make a corners, 1 and 2, and then double crochet 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, and then this is your 3 times. So you can see over here we are making corners. And we have already 3 corners, 1 corner, 2 and 3. Okay, now we are going to make a last one. So to make a last one, we don't have to make a 3 double crochet, just making a 1 and 2, and then we are going to make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from here, 1, 2 and 3 over here. Okay, just making a slip stitch, but we are not going to pull through all loops. Okay, because we are going to change the color over here. So you can see over here we are going to make a second corner, second part of the granny square. So change the color with a pink color. You can use any colors of yarn, okay? It doesn't matter, that's your choice. So now changing the color. You need to do this pull through all loops, okay? Chaining one, and you have to just cut the yarn. Before that you have to tie it, green yarn and pink one, okay? You need to tie it like this. And cutting this green color. Okay, chaining of one and then turn around your work. It means you need to turn over here, okay? In this part, this is your first corner, and make a slip stitch and chaining of 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. You have already one double crochet, you need to make 2 double crochet to make a corner. This is a 2 and then 3, 1, 2 and 3. Right over here we are going to skip all of these chains, all of this double crochet, and make another corners. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, and make a corner, chain of 2 into the same, you can see over here, in the same corner you need to make over here 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and then 3, okay? So we just create a corners over here. Do the same thing over here. Do the same thing over here. This is our second last corner, and then we will make another corner over here. So from here, skipping all of this double crochet, and into your first corner you need to make a 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3 over here, okay? Now we are going to change the color. So you can see over here, so this is the process to make a granny square patterns. This is the process to make a granny squares patterns. Now I'm changing the color. I'm going to change the color. Okay, now I'm going to change the color over here with this white color. Chaining 1, and then we are going to cut this yarn over here, and then don't forget to tie it. It can make your work secure. Your granny square looks very perfect. Okay, after making this, found your work, and then over here in your corners make a slip stitch and then chaining of 3, 1, 2, and then double crochet inside this chain in the corner, 1 double, 2 double, and then 3 double. And right over here skip all of these chains after making 3 double crochet, and then this is your space. Okay, in this space you just need to make a 3 double crochet, but in the corner you need to make a 6 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Okay, right over here this is a corner, we need to create a corner, 1 double crochet, 2, 1 and 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 3. So this is a space. Do the same thing, okay, until you reach the end of this row. Okay, this is the process. Okay, every time, like when you're adding a new color, just making a double crochet 3 times in the space, and then in the corner you need to make a 6 times double crochet, 3 times double crochet, chain 2, 3 times double crochet. Everybody, thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.